Hello, welcome to Squirrel Tale. Today I'm going to show you kind of, I guess you can call it a hack. When cleaning a gun, one of the best things you can use is linen tow. Linen tow is actually the traditional way of doing it. And the way it works, I think it does significantly better than your standard patches for getting the fouling out of the gun. So this is what it is. And now one issue is anymore, not a lot of people are making linen the traditional way, so it's sometimes hard to find. But I found a little way to do it, and that is jute rope. Jute rope is made out of the same thing as a tow. And I literally found this at the dollar store for $1 for like 8 feet of the rope, which will... This bundle here of linen tow is about 3 inches, so you got a lot, a lot of linen tow in one for $1. So what you do is you take it, and you would take a section, you pull it apart like this, and then like this, and into these strands, and then and this is what she's doing right now. You take it even farther, and you take it and pull out almost the individual fibers apart like that. And then you do a couple of them, like she's doing. You can see she got it down to a science. We'll zoom in on her. Just pull those fibers apart. And then, if you want to clean with it, you gotta get what's called a jig like this. I think these are called pouch pullers, and they have some other ones. And that allows you to, and these you can find them at Tractor Wolf, any muzzleloader supply shop like that. I think I actually bought this off Dave Keck. He carries them. Anyway, Dixon's muzzleloading shop, any of your, muzzleloader supply places will have this. Then you just wrap it on the hook like that. Kind of got to think what caliber you have, the size of the ball you use. Sometimes you have to wind up a little bit more. Again, with this being fiber, it gets the grit out a little bit quicker than will something like a paper towel or cleaning patch. And then you dip it or soak it in your favorite cleaning solution. Sometimes I use plain water. This here is water and ballistol mix, so I fill about the bottom third with ballistol and I mixed it with water. Some people call that moose milk. And then you take your flintlock or your muzzleloader, and then you proceed to scrub like you would with a patch. But again, I think this does a little bit better than a patch. I will be honest, I don't do all my cleaning with this. I don't clean it, get the first 90% with this, and then do with paper towels, although now that I know I can get this for $1, I might just start cleaning with this, because it definitely is faster. Oh, and another thing that's nice about this is it's washable. Once you're done with it, you can make a little bit of soapy water and flush it out with that, and then flush it out with some plain water. Pull it apart to dry. I can do a video on that too, on how to reuse linen tow, and you can get multiple uses out of it. You can see she just started that a minute ago. It doesn't take long to get a good pile of this. So, hope you enjoyed this quick video. It's a little hack. Again, Dollar Tree, jute rope, and I'm sure this is available online in other places, but a nice little hack. So, have a good day. Please like and subscribe, and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for more great content, and check out our Instagram page at @SquirrelTailShow.